Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you something called as view templates. Okay, something very useful. Instead it's going to save your time. Okay, let's suppose we have a couple of views. Okay, I'm just making a duplicate. It does not make another level. It's just a view. Okay, so we're going to have, let's say, 20 of these kind of, not 20, like just give me an example. Okay, now listen, let's suppose here, just give me a here. Right, I made this setting. You can come to my previous videos and you can see how I did these view settings. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to view templates and tell create template from view, current view, name it alien view. Let's say not alien view, you would say supply, because I did it for the supply system, isn't it? Supply air view settings, which I like it, isn't it? It means I set it in. Did you get the picture? Yeah. Okay, good. Click OK. Done. It says you did blah blah blah. I said okay, thank you. Okay, now let's suppose I come to the another floor and I see the same story. I need to redo everything, change the color, blah 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 blah. Okay, isn't it? So what I will do is go and click view, apply template from to current view, apply template properties to current, and ask which template you need. Supply view, air view settings. Okay, apply properties. He says yes and says thank you. Okay, I hope you get this picture. How did I change from one? Isn't it? This made my life much easier. Okay, let's say select all instances, entire project. I said hide. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I hope you understood this small short class, isn't it? How do we? Let's say one here. See, it's still here. Same story. Go apply template. If you don't want to go up, go down. I said, John, I get allergy when going up. I said fine. Okay, I hope you get the picture. Okay, take care, enjoy, and hope you enjoyed today's class, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.